Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you my lab where I do all projects and everything. So guys, let us finally enter the lab. This is my rack. These are my components, connectors, SMD ICs, etc. Spares of electronic components. As you can see, everything is written on the box. This is my files. This is an inkjet printer, color inkjet printer with wireless function. This is an HP laser printer, and this is an extension board, 16 ampere socket. This is a spare extension board. These are other items, scraps. These are my tools, big tools, hacksaw blade frame, spanner, adjustable, long screwdriver, Allen keys, spares, hex keys, tapping tool. This is a silicone gun. This is my faucet. Yeah. Guys, this is the faucet. And so let's move on to the table finally. This is my work table where I do all the works. This is the screwdrivers, different types, all ranges. This is a rack for spare items. This is chindi for cleaning purposes. These are my brush. This is thinner for cleaning. Blades, pliers, nose pliers, cutters, strippers, Allen keys, files, various sizes of files. Hacksaw again, small, bulb series lamp, glue gun, electronic PCB drilling, drill bit set, continuity testers, and this is a 24-watt LED tubing. That's my lucky dragon that I drew way back in 2005, 15 years ago. This is my test setup. It gives 400 volts output, AC and DC, switchable, series direct, bulb. This is switchboard for soldering iron, 25 watt, 35 watt, 50 watt, 75 watt. This is micro soldering iron gun. This is glue stick for the hot glue gun, heatsink compound, anabond, measuring tapes, again switchboard for other items, series. These both are series output, 100 watt and 200 watt. This is Jackley set, micro screwdrivers. Let me show you. Okay. These are RYB black green tapes, packing tape, different line and other. This is an AC voltmeter for measuring output of VFDs. And now my PC table. Yeah guys, that's grinder. This is my site page opened on the monitor. This is a 32-inch TV I use as a monitor. That's my laptop. Mouse, keyboard. These are all wired by me only, and so it's looking a little bit like that. This is a USB hub. As an external hard disk case, supply for that from here. This is also an external hard disk, Western Digital. That's Pokemon. This also I drew way back in 2005, 15 years. And finally, my power tools. This is a Bosch drill machine. This has forward and reverse switch. And this is a hand grinder of Bosch again. These are my storage boxes for screws, nuts and everything, extra files. This is a box for scrap items. This is my bag by Gods. Now as I will show you my test motor setup. This is bulb based motor and this is 5 HP 3-phase delta connected motor. These are both the connections. This is for motor and this is for the bulb. Only for trial purpose. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe if you loved the video. And if you would like more videos about the tools and everything, every instrument I use, detailed videos, please comment on my WhatsApp number. It's shared in the description. And I will be uploading future projects and videos from here only, the lab. Thanks for watching. Love you guys.